Also, if I give you 2 points, you should be able to find the slope for that. So if I say given point 1, 2, and -6, and point 2 is -1 and 2. So what's the slope, anyone? Anybody know the formula for the slope?
Isn't it like y equals mx plus b or something?
Y is equal to mx plus b is the equation of the line, which we need to know that. But the slope, how do you find it? Anybody know the formula for the slope? The slope of the line?
x1 minus x2.
Okay, so yeah, that would be slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, question, Brandy? No. If I have 2 points, I can label it any way I want. Brandy, if you turn on your microphone, you need to talk. Otherwise, you get this background noise. What's your question?
No. Sorry.
Okay, you're okay? Alright. So, I can label this point 1 and point 2. If I do that, this number here would be considered to be x1, this would be y1, so this would be x2, and that would be y2. Again, it doesn't matter which one you call point 1, which one you call point 2. Now we can substitute the number. y2 would be 2 minus y1 is -6. x2 is equal to -1 minus 2. So can somebody tell me what did we get at the top of the fraction? It's like 2 plus 2. 8, yeah. Plus 8. Bottom of the fraction is -1 plus -2. So what do we have at the bottom of the fraction?
-3.
-3. So the slope is 8 over -3. Or you can call it 8 over -3 is the same as -8 over 3, or the same as -8 over 3. All means that slope is that. If I ask you to graph this, you simply locate these 2 points and you graph them. If I ask you to write the equation of this, how do you write the equation?
Y equals mx plus b.
Now use that y is equal to mx plus b formula. So you say y is equal to mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. We already know the slope. How do I find the y-intercept, anyone? What do we do? How do I find this b here?
Wouldn't you, well, if the slope is already -8 over 3, correct? So you have to get b by itself? Or no?
Yes, but to solve for b, we need to know a value for x and y. Where do we get that?
I don't know.
Well, we go back to what's given to us. They're giving you 2 points. You can pick either of these 2 points and label them point P, and then place it for x and y. Either of them would work. Okay, let's pick the first one. Let's label the first one point P, 2 and minus 6, and everywhere I see X, I'm going to substitute that with 2. Everywhere I see Y, I'm going to substitute that for negative 6. So here we get negative 6 is equal to M is minus 8 over 3, and X is 2 over 1. Then I can solve for B. So you get minus 6 is equal to minus 16 over 3 plus B. To solve for B, what do we do? Anyone?
You get B by itself.
Right. So we have to add 16 over 3 to both sides of the equation. So that's how you can isolate the B. So B would be equal to negative 6 over 1 minus 16 over 3. That's B is. Okay? So let's see.
Why is it minus 16 over 3? Then you have to add 16 over 3 to get rid of the negative 16 over 3 on the other side?
If you're adding, you're right, absolutely. If you add 16 over 3 to both sides of the equations, that would be plus. Thank you. So you add 16 over 3 to both sides of the equation. Both must be the same. So we get minus 6 over 1 plus 16 over 3. So how do you add this up? What do we have to do?
Find the LCD.
Right, LCD, what is that?
3.
3. So to multiply the first fraction by 3 over 3. So here we get minus 18 over 3 plus 16 over 3, which is equal to what over 3? Anyone?
Over 3.
Minus 2 over 3. So that's the B is. So we're done. So equation of the line then would be, we put it back into this equation here. Y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to minus 8 over 3x. Your b is minus 2/3. So this is the equation of the line. That's how you find the equation of the line. Any question as how to find the equation of the line? Okay.